Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read this sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all in the same page on this regarding the ongoing, very crucial, very important closure of civil justice sign-off provided for myself. For I am Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and it is because United States of America with state fatal negligence created robocall poverty mandate, and the crime is 3 counts of crime. So crime 1 is USA created finance poverty disability to I. And then the crime 2 is United States of America created finance disability to I. Then crime 3 of USA is created the finance debt to I. So I have to sign this civil justice sign off in front of all nations and in front of entire human kingdom, and I sure will get the civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines only. Okay, and USA do not have any birthrights to enforce poverty to me. So I will quickly read this civil justice sign off, and that way we all can be on the same page. Victims of abuse patients medical compensations claims billing process as of February 2021. Prosecution Babylon, USA, at fault found guilty in all counts of crime of Vatican for with fatal negligence. USA created robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and as of February 2021, a nation having civil law agency do not have birthrights to allow criminal justice in nation, and it is fatal negligence of criminal justice and civil justice agency of USA for created robocall poverty mandate because of fatal negligence, and it is deadliest crime enough for nation to be sealed and shut down for disqualified to be nation. Antichrist, Lucifer, Satan, Roman province, Jesuits, Vatican, Pope Francis created finance law, hell, poverty poverty mandate. So civil justice for at fault found guilty USA nation is Part A USA prostitution criminal USA Harvard Law School must sign off tax-free $1 billion direct deposit to my bank account for fatal negligence and created robocall poverty mandate. And Part B USA Prostitution Civil USA Harvard Law School must sign off tax-free another $1 billion direct deposit to my bank account for fatal negligence and created robocall poverty mandate. And Prostitution USA Nation took away $4,500 in October 2018, and with fatal negligence at fault found guilty, USA Nation enforced crime 1 USA Nation poverty mandated to I. Vedapriya Pro Se, and crime 2 of USA Nation finance disability took away $4,500 in October 2018 mandated disabled to I. Vedapriya Pro Se, and crime 3 is USA Nation finance debt $10,210.38 mandated to I. Vedapriya Pro Se. So the 3 counts of crime of United States of America comes under the classification of domestic violence types, that is breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, assault and types, false imprisonment and types, and trespass to land, chattels and types, and at fault found guilty. At fault found guilty Supreme Judge Brett Kavanaugh told the rightful job belonged to I. Vedapriya Pro Se. For I. Vedapriya Pro Se should have been elected as a Supreme Court Judge of USA, Supreme Family Judge of USA, Supreme Children Judge of USA on October 2018 itself. And just to steal the rightful job belonged to I. Vedapriya Pro Se alone, Republican GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, and Brett Kavanaugh created robocall poverty mandate to I. Vedapriya Pro Se on October 2018, and I. Vedapriya Pro Se wants civil justice according to Holy Bible guidelines only. For the crime provided by USA, I want Roman Province Vatican Jesuits leader Antichrist Pope Francis must resign now. For Pope Francis created criminal law is hell law, and for fatal negligence of criminal law and civil law in all 50 states of USA is 100 counts of fatal negligence. For total counts of 100 counts of fatal negligence of criminal law and civil law agency of USA. So, Jesuits Roman Province of USA should pay tax-free $100 billion and direct deposit to my bank account in next 1 second. And I. Vedapriya Pro Se to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And I. Vedapriya should be the Supreme Court civil judge of all nations now is civil justice served. And I. Vedapriya Pro Se to be the Supreme Family Law Judge for all nations is civil justice served to me. And I. Vedapriya Pro Se to be the Supreme Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served to me. And I. Vedapriya should be the interim leader of USA, and President Joe Biden must resign abruptly. And I also want the Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu, USA to be renamed after my name, as Vedapriya is civil justice served to me. And I wish I get the civil justice without any delay, right? And I am unemployed right now, so USA cannot turn back, and USA have to pay me lots of salary. Already a salary of Pro Se is pending, and already salary for whatever labor I provided for Poverty Free Earth end of the year 2030 volunteer project during the time frame from spring of 2014 up until spring of 2019, that USA have to provide salary for me. And I have excellent 50,000 a year Medicaid for all rewrite project design, patented design, and I want the yearly salary to be $250,000 tax free, right? And the design cost is anywhere between $25 to $1 trillion, that the design cost for the 50,000 year Medicaid rewrite USA should provide me. So thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.